Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Thomasin. I've been seeing a lot of bleach DIY recently. I quite like the idea of using paintbrushes to paint with bleach instead of dipping my clothes into the bleach. So I'm just gonna see, how mine turns out. It's best to lay down a bin bag on whatever surface you're gonna be bleaching with because this stains and it's bad. You don't want to be staining your random furniture for nothing. The trousers I'm going to be using today are quite old. They've already got some slits in them from previous times trying to DIY, so we're going to try and work with that. I think they'll end up looking quite grungy, quite punk, which will be good, which will be fun. I like that style. Hopefully we end up with some nice trousers I can wear out and that look great. The main items we need are regular toilet bleach, paintbrushes, gloves, and a good attitude. So corny. Putting cardboard inside of the jeans helps to prevent the bleach from leaking through onto the other side. It's not completely foolproof because there probably will be gaps, but it saves you a lot of hassle. Alright, so there's a high possibility that this could go completely wrong, but I'm just gonna see how it goes, take it as it is. I've never bleached any clothes before and I'm looking forward to it. Take long for the bleach to have an effect on the trousers. You could see an orange rust kind of color coming through after only a few minutes. Alright, so this is the back of the trousers. Most of the bleach didn't leak through, but this area leaked bad and we gotta sort it out because I do not want it to look like I'm on my period and it's leaked. That won't be fun. So I decided to attempt embroidering. I quite like the idea of having the gothic T on the back of my trousers, and as you can see when I did it with bleach it came out quite messy. So to do that I'm sewing the outline of the T onto the trousers just to give it a little bit more definition. Using elastic to adjust the waist is pretty straightforward. You just have to sew 2 buttons on either side of the trousers and create holes in the trousers and thread the elastic through. I think I sewed my buttons a little bit too close together, so a lot of the trousers are scrunched together at the back, so that's something to be aware of as well. All in all, I'd say I'm quite happy with how these trousers came out. I didn't expect it to be so red or orange because I don't usually wear those colours. Not that I can control the colour that would come out in the end, but I thought maybe that they might, I don't know what I thought. I don't know what I thought.